Ooh. Looks like you got it primered.
Yep, ready for paint. It's good enough, right? I kind of just laid a quick layer of primer. Just to get, I don't know. It's already like okay. We just filled up like what the parts we drilled out for the brackets.
Yep.
Fill over that, primer over that. That's basically it. We masked off what we could. I mean, you kind of have to work around it since taking all the stuff off is going to require a lot more work.
Yeah.
I think I told, see, the paint's over here. It's the same paint I used for the body. Going with the same color. You can't see what the brand is, but it's like Eurochem or something.
Yeah, Eurochem. Midnight Blue Pearl?
Yep.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. It's like super cheap paint, but it's been holding up on my car so far, so. It's already been like a couple of years. Yeah. So we're doing that color with some sparkles.
Okay.
It's pretty shiny.
Man, you spilled some of that on your hand, right?
Yeah, it just stays on you. I'm not really sure how to apply this. Apparently you go with, put it in clear coat. I'm not sure how much though, so that would be interesting. So we're doing this, and while we're doing this, actually I have the engine's in the back of the 4Runner. Okay, so this is my blocking head. I'm gonna be sending out to the machine shop. Show you the parts I got. Iski valve springs. They're dual springs. Fancy.
So that's gonna allow you to like rev higher without the valve floating.
Yep. And then to match it, we have an Iski cam. Here is the specs. Was it?
It's like a 280.
280 cam. There's the specs. See a cam in there, brand new cam. Not much to really see.
It's a big piece of metal.
So that's part of it.
What else you got?
We have, this is from Datsun Spirit. One of the Datsun Spirit parts I will be using. These are big valves.
Ooh.
These are slightly bigger, but you can definitely tell it's bigger. These valves will work with the stock valve seats, so you don't have to change them. This is both intake and exhaust. This is smaller. So that's from Datsun Spirit. What else is there? Another Datsun Spirit part is the rods. These are forged lightweight rods. They're actually a different stroke too. So these rods are longer than stock, and then you compare, you use it with their pistons. These pistons are really nice. You got the Datsun Spirit pistons. These are pretty. So these are 89 mil, and I got 86 in there. So this is slightly bigger. See, it won't fit in here. Yep, so 89 mil, lightweight, forged.
So this thing is also...
Yes, the compression height is actually shorter.
Yeah, it's shorter to kind of like make up for the length of the rod.
Yep. So it's like a stroker kit.
Yeah, it changes the stroke.
I think it makes it a 3-liter.
L30.
So you can call it an L30. L30.
Okay.
So rods, piston, cams, valves, and then I think that's it. You got new valve stems, the ARP hardware for the block, and then you're going to be pairing that with the intake over here. I don't think I can show you guys too much of this. Chunky boy. So this is a Pro Tuner's intake. And it has a 75mm throttle body. And inside the intake, there's velocity stacks. So that will help with...
Kind of dark, but yeah, whatever.
Can't really see it, huh? Well, there's velocity stacks in there. And that basically helps the airflow, smooths it out, and it helps like suck it in. It's kind of like ITB-ish.
Yeah, it's gonna have an ITB sound. So I'm excited to see what this thing sounds like.
And then, let's see. Using the 6-in-1 header from MSA, I'm gonna be reusing this. And that's basically the build.
Okay.
So,
one more thing. You also got the 1, 2, 3 distributor.
Yeah, distributor. That allows me to control timing. So that's the build.
Okay.
Instead of swapping it, I'm doing an engine build.
I would have done the same thing.
Yep. So.
All right. So we're gonna drop all the stuff off at the machine shop tomorrow.
Yes. And this said around a month at least, or around there for lead time.
Yeah, about a month.
That's kind of what I expected.
And in that time, we can get the engine bay painted, get it all ready for the new engine. Oh yeah, one more thing. You also got a 5-speed transmission.
Oh, did you ever figure out if that was a turbo trans or an NA trans?
I haven't figured it out yet. Well, I'll look it up. The guy that we bought it from said it was a non-turbo one. So
Yeah, that's what I want.
yeah, shorter gears. So anyways, let's start getting this thing painted.
Look at that. Mad scientists at work.
Looks good.
Man, maybe I don't even need the flake, huh? Nah, we're just gonna do it anyways. Screw it.
Just do it. You already got it.
Man, hopefully it doesn't look too like extra.
I think it will.
That's what I'm worried about. Okay, so this is an easy mix. It's 2-to-1. 2 parts paint, 1 part thinner.
All right. One last look at the engine bay.
Yep. Well, you guys remember it was all black. I painted it with a brush. That was just to get it going. And now we're here again to finally paint it properly. Well, there's the base coat. Now it's time for clear. It's the same thing, 2-to-1 mix. And then we're gonna try to throw some flakes in here. I don't know how much you're supposed to put, so I'm just gonna send it.
It said
A tablespoon?
1 tablespoon per quart. But a quart is big, right?
Yeah, we don't need that much.
So, yeah, I don't know.
Well, I'm just gonna shake it until it looks even, I guess.
All right.
Good enough. Oh man, is that too much?
Start mixing it.
Oh, where'd it go? That was all on the sides.
I can see it kind of floating inside. Yeah.
Yeah, I never used flakes before, so we'll see what happens. Maybe a little more.
Okay, I think that's good.
Like that? Hell yeah! This is it. This is how you paint, guys. Man, should we go more? No, if you go too much, then it won't spray through the gun. Okay, this actually looks like a lot. If I look in there.
Too much?
Nah, this is how we're gonna do it. Sick.
Okay.
All the flakes. Maybe too much. Yeah, looks good.
So that was basically like 2 shakes, I guess.
Yeah, it's like a good, healthy shake of this. It's actually a salt shaker. You should look at it, see? Cool.
Alright.
That looks good enough, I guess.
I want to see this thing. Wait, should we do a test first?
Look at that. Nah, man. We don't test things here.
Wow, look at that. All one color.
Turned out alright, huh?
Not bad.
The flakes aren't as noticeable as I thought, which is good. I was kind of worried about it being like too flashy. But we'll see like once it's in the sun, I guess.
Yeah. I think it looks pretty good.
The sickest harmonizers you ever seen, right?
Nice and blue. They're still taped up. We'll take it off later.
I was thinking about doing something with the subframe too. Maybe just get that black. I don't know. A little bit of overspray here and there, but whatever. It's not a show car.
It's not a show car.
It's my excuse. I don't like it to be perfect, but
Just a street car. But yeah, it's nice to see it one color.
it was one color.
Well, it was flat black.
Yeah. I didn't really mind that either, but since I was pulling the engine anyways, I was might as well paint it. So it turned out like I expected, I guess.
Okay, so
Engine bay is done, and then tomorrow we're dropping off the engine. Then I guess we're just waiting on that.
yeah. So what are we gonna do in a month? Just sit?
I don't know. We really do while we wait.
I
Let's
don't
just
know.
work on that clunker.
Yeah, I guess this car is done for now. And then we can.
I guess we can prep your car. Huh.
Oh yeah, my MR2. I haven't even updated
That's
you
not
guys.
done yet.
I haven't updated you guys yet.
Alright, he's been driving it for a little bit.
Yeah, I've been driving it a little
I guess
bit.
we do an update video on the MR2.
Yeah.
This will be on hold until we get the engine back. And then we'll work on your car.
Sick. Okay. Anything else? I think we're all good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna end the video there. Bye.